So Hi is going to do a butt weld, and we'll see how well he does it. So anytime you're ready, Hi, let's go for it.
Okay. Bring your electrode closer to the work surface. And then slowly close off. Nice.
Very nice. So we'll just have a peek at it. That's not bad. Not bad at all.
So the front part seemed okay. I was getting a bit of a mound.
Actually, I was thinking more
What
of
were you
the end. The last inch was really nicely done.
This last inch here.
Yeah, I would say that the front area was a little bit too much heat.
Okay, and too much of a puddle, I think.
And not enough rod in the puddle.
Okay. So
But you
if
do
I'm going to have more heat, I should be putting more rod in. I mean, if that's one way of compensating, or not really?
What rod does, what putting the rod in, is it cools the weldment down.
Ah.
Okay?
So that'll compensate partly
yes,
for too much heat.
And you'll get some buildup. You'll get some rounding, which is what you need.
Okay. Good.